let's talk feet. Yes, let's talk on our phalanges. Okay. Yeah, I had to bring my foot up here. I'm still a little flexible, still got it. Okay, a little bit. Let's talk feet. When to wear. You see this probably about good 4.5. When to wear a pointed toe, when to wear a skinny heel, when to wear the block heel, when to wear a mule with no back, and when to wear a good old sneaker. Let's get into it. Now, if I'm going to a business meeting and I feel like the boss, if I'm wearing a cute little midi dress, midi too, it depends. And I'm just feeling more of, well, I don't have my feet done, right? I wear a good pointed toe, and a skinny heel. If I'm going to go eat, if I'm going to go sit down. But I know I'm not doing a lot of walking. This is it, okay? I'll do this, okay? If I'm doing a lot of walking, if I have a 4 walk, I ain't wearing a shoe. There was a point that I could wear any of these shoes at any time. But as I've gotten older, my knees, my grandma told me, when you get older, you start wearing out them heels because your knees going to start hurting. I was like, what? I've been wearing heels since I was probably about 12, 13, 14, right? I used to go to school in high school, walk around in heels. Crazy blasphemy, I know. For some people, like, girl, what? But I've been that girl, like, always, to like, yeah, I'll rock some heels. Now, I still love a good heel. But now there's a time and a place, okay? Time and a place. Love me a good mule. These are cute. Just a cute little slide in. Also, if you don't have your feet done, but it's an easy come off, so you might want to have your feet done. But if you're not doing a lot of walking as well, I will wear these. I will wear this type of shoe. But if I'm doing a lot of walking, I'm not going to do this because your foot is going to be sliding around. I need something. I need a strap. I need a strap to hold my foot in. Now, you may not be like me, but this is what I do. Now, if I'm doing a lot of walking, easy peasy, baby. I'm going to put a good old block on. Put a good old block heel on. We can walk for days. These are so comfortable. I can dang near running these. Okay, so this all day long. We're going to network. I could walk. Oh, you want to walk? Then let's walk over to a restaurant. Sure, I have these on. Girl, what? Now, we can do anything in these. and a good old sneaker. Where are we going? Anywhere you want to walk? How far? Cool. We don't need valet for these. We might need valet for these and these. How far is it from the door? Ballet shoes. How are we gotta walk into or walk upstairs or go into the office or go to a business meeting? If it's not that bad. But if there's a walk, I'm gonna have a bag with another shoe, a ballet flat, a sandal. Now I'm gonna still make sure it's a nice shoe, a nice cute shoe, nice, like even like this. These are kind of having it down now. These are Steve Madden's, but these are still a nice, like cute slip on. We're not doing no flip flops. We're not looking like that, and no, we're not doing Crocs either. To each his own, child. But I am not doing Crocs, and I don't recommend. Yeah, they're comfortable around the house if you're gonna garden. If you work as a nurse. Are you with your mama? we can get into it. But for me, I'm not going to recommend them because it's a no fashion-wise. There's so plenty of other options if you need to change out your shoe. Okay? That is my list on the shoes, on when to and when not to. Let's go.